Hi, my name is Elle, and this right here is my volleyball card project. So, in class, we were asked to create a card. It didn't matter if it was an invite or like a birthday card or something like that, but it had to be a type of card that you would send to somebody else. So, my card is a volleyball card. It's basically inviting somebody to come play volleyball at my local YMCA. So, I basically I wrote all of my code here. I used a lot of the code from a previous one that we did, which was our birthday card one that we made as a class, which is this, and this is mine for the text. And then right here I have my IDs that basically label my different like image views and text views and stuff. Um I have so this one right here, this image view is my background. It's this like space galaxy with the volleyball. Um, I made it match parent so that it would take up the entire screen. That way it would be a complete background instead of just a picture in the middle of my screen. And then I have this image view, which is my um player, which is this. So and with your formatting when you create something like this, you have to basically you have to put the um mm, and so essentially you using formatting you have so this from bottom to top is how they're going to be layered. So if I took this image view and I put this image view down here, it would be on top of the rest of my screen over here, and you wouldn't be able to see any of these other views and stuff. So then, with my image view for my player, I changed the size using layout width and height and changing them so that it didn't take or so that it wasn't too small or too big or anything like that, so I could make it the right size. And then using parent alignment, I was able to move it to the bottom right hand corner. That way it wasn't over anything else. With my text view, um, this one is my top one up here. I didn't have to change it. Besides, I just made it a little bit horizontal. That way, it would center and just be straight across, which was easy. Using font family and text color, I was able to change the font, the size using text size, and then the color, text color, changed it from black to white or whatever color you want. Um, and then my final text view, which is this little from L in the corner. And with that, you just have I just made that in the bottom left-hand corner using align parent too. I changed the text size so it's smaller than this actually. Um, and then I made the font the same as the top one, and the color is white just like the other one. And then obviously these two that say text are the text that's actually going to be added. Padding is basically for you see how on the edge right here there's like room compared to right here where it's right across the edge. Padding basically gives it a room away from the edging, so it's fine. And then over here I have my Git Kraken. So Git Kraken is probably one of the um best, obviously I don't know, it's the best source I have used to basically store and save all of your things. Like here I have for my project, if I go over to um right here, where is it? Here. If I go here, this is like my final text edits, and I click this, you can see that this is some of the text edits I made to my, or things that I added and everything, and modified all of my different text. But so you can see through this, and it basically using um Git Kraken, you can take and all of your information and you can save it to a local directory. But you can also link it to your GitHub, and using this button right here, you can push it to the internet. and then it'll be stored on a drive. So using GitHub and GitKraken, if I go to right here, this is my GitHub, and this is my entire text, just like on my other one. This is like my file directory and everything. But but I would definitely recommend for everybody to use GitHub and GitKraken when using things like this, because I was in a situation where I was trying to use my personal laptop to do all of this work, and it didn't work because uh basically when I had downloaded the Android Studio thing, um I wasn't able to verify one of my files, and so it wouldn't let me actually create some of the stuff I needed to do or run some of my program. So, using GitKraken on my computer, I pushed all of my stuff to the internet, and then I went onto this computer, which is a stationary computer, and I pulled it from the internet and I used it. But then they had this computer had an issue with people logging in, so they had to completely wipe my computer, my this computer that I am working on currently right now. So then I had to go back in and I had to make another. I had to pull it again from the internet because nothing was saved. So using GitKraken and GitHub is just it's really simple. You basically just make an edit to here. As you can see, it creates a whip. Then you name it. So I would name this like final edits and finishing touches. And with that, oh, that is caps lock. I do not want that. And um and then I just go over here and click stage all changes and commit 3 files. And then right here, you can tell the difference between this origin and local. So local is just on this computer. Origin has been pushed to the internet. So if I just click right here, push this, just give it a sec, and then everything will get lumped together and pushed together so that everything's fine. And basically, yeah, I don't know. I would just advise people to use GitKraken and GitHub. I also used, as you can see, I used Udacity to do a lot of my things because that is a program that we've been working on during school to go through the whole Android Studio stuff. So Udacity uh, is very easy to use. You just sign up and then go into courses and stuff. And a lot of it you basically watch videos, take little quizzes, and then on your and then you can go into your Android Studio and actually work on the things that you've learned. Um, and I really like that. So I don't know. I would like final takeaways. I would very much say use GitHub, use GitKraken, and use resources like Udacity to help you learn more about um, the things that you want to learn about. So.